Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is a roll of 2,000 raffle tickets, and I'm very happy with their quality. They are easy to read the numbers and easy to tear at the perforations. So when I'm tearing them and handing them out to people, I'm not getting a lot of missed tears or the numbers missing. There's a clean tear on both sides, so the perforation is high quality. They also have space on the back for name, address, and phone number. So if you needed to write any details on the back of the raffle ticket, there is space for you to do that. And the side that you hand out to the customer or to the person that you're handing the ticket out to has a blank space. So you also have space there if you wanted to write something or stamp it with something as well. So I'm using these for a trade show, and I'm very happy overall with the quality. The color is red. It's not too dark, so it doesn't make the print difficult to read, but it's just bright enough to be eye-catching. Because it's in a wheel shape, that makes it easy to dispense. And again, I really appreciate the quality of the perforation. If you're looking for some raffle tickets, I'm very pleased with this set, and that is my point of view.